Good morning, students. This is for class 10th, exercise 3.2, NCERT book. Here, question number first. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Here, the pair of linear equation in the problems. We have to find the solutions by the graphically. Here, question number first. Student 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let the number of boys is equal to x. The number of boys is equal to x. So that and the number of girls is equal to y. Let the number of boys is equal to x and the number of girls is equal to y. From question, the sum of boys and girls is 10. X plus y. The number of boys is x. The number of girls is equal to y. So x plus y is equal to 10. This is the equation first. Again from question. Here question tells that girls is more than boys. How many? 4. 4 girls is more than boys. So we can write here x is equal to y when x will be equal to the y if we add the 4 in boys, because girl is more than boys. 4 girls are more according to the boys. So this equation may be x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. This can be written as x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is the equation second. Now from equation first, the value of x and y. X is equal to 10 minus y. If we put the value of y, then we will get the value of x. Here putting y is equal to 3. Then value of x is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. If the value of y is equal to 5, the value of x is equal to 5. Now from equation Second, from equation second, here x is equal to -4 plus y. This is the equation second. If we change the place of y, this is in minus, and after changing its place in right side, this will be plus. X is equal to -4 plus y. If we put the value of y, then we will get the value of x. If y is equal to 7, then the value of x is equal to 7 minus 4, 3. If the value of y is equal to 5, then the value of x is equal to 1. Here, now we will draw the graph. According to the value of x and y, we will divide the units. Here maximum is 7 and minimum is 1. So we will draw the graph from 1 to 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and this is the origin. Here the value of x is equal to 7 and value of y is equal to 3. From equation first, value of x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. Value of x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. This line cross here, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 3. This is the point, intersect to each other. Value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. This is the point. This line show the equation first. X plus y is equal to 10. Now from equation second, the value of x is equal to 3, value of y is equal to 7. Value of x is equal to 3, value of y is equal to 7. Value of x is equal to 3 and value of y is equal to 7. This point. Another point, the value of x is equal to 1 and value of y is equal to 5. x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 5. Here on this point both line intersects, so this is the answer. Value of x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Answer P 3 7. Answer. This is the answer. I hope you understand. This is very simple question. First. Now we have question number second. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. Whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. Now this is the question same like the question first, so you can solve easily. In question number 2, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point, or parallel, or coincident. Here we have to show the given equations are parallel or intersect to each other. So here we will solve. Here question number 2, we have given equation 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. To first 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0, minus 9. Here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, we have a1 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to 8 and c2 is equal to minus 9. a1 by a2 is equal to minus 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6, or minus 2 by 3. This can be written as here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this pair of linear equations intersect at a point. If a1 by a2, b1 by b2 intersect each other, then or a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is not equal to each other, then the given equations are intersect to each other. If we will draw the graph, then the two lines intersect to each other. Question number 2. Here question number 2. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation first. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. This is the equation second. Here a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12, a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to 24. 9 by 18, a1 by a2 is equal to, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, and c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24. This can be written as 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the given pair of equations are parallel. Equations are parallel. I hope you are understanding. Here question number 3. You can solve easily by self. If a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal, then they are parallel. If they are not equal, then they are intersect each other. Now we have question number 3. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Now we have equation 3 first. 3x 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Here we will solve. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by minus 3 or minus 2 by 3. And C1 by C2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 7. It means plus 5 by 7. 5 by 7. 5 by 7. Here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So this equation is consistent. Next question we have. Two x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Here A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, or after cutting this will be 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. This is also equal to 1 by 2. And C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by 9. Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not C1 by C2. So these equations are inconsistent. I hope you understand. The remains question you have to show consistent or inconsistent. Question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Here we have to solve, or we have to show that a equation is consistent. Equations are consistent. Then we have to show the graphically solutions. Solution of graphical graph.